Welcome to Living Limitless. Let's unlock your financial potential together. You work hard for your money, but what if your money could work for you? Investing is the most powerful way to build long-term wealth. It's not just for the super rich or Wall Street pros. Today, anyone can start investing even with just a few pounds. The key isn't how much you start with, but when you start. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Leaving cash in a savings account is safe, but inflation eats away at its value. Investing is like planting a seed with time. It can grow into something much bigger. This guide will make investing simple, no jargon, no complicated charts. You have the power to take control of your financial future. By the end, you'll have a clear, step-by-step roadmap to start growing your wealth. It's time to make your money work as hard as you do. Let's get started. Your future self will thank you. Ready? Let's dive in. Investing means buying things you believe will be worth more in the future. The most common investment? Stocks. Tiny pieces of companies like Apple or Nike. If the company grows, your share's value rises. If not, it can fall. Picking individual stocks is risky, so most people choose index funds. An index fund is a bundle of hundreds of companies. Instant diversification. Think of it like buying the whole pizza, not just one slice. If one company struggles, the others balance it out. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, work similarly but trade like stocks throughout the day. For beginners, both index funds and ETFs are great low-cost ways to invest. They spread your risk and make investing simple. You don't need to be an expert. Just start with a broad, diversified fund. That's the smart way to begin. So, how does your investment actually grow? First, appreciation. As companies grow, your shares become more valuable. Second, the real magic, compound interest. Your money earns returns, and those returns earn even more returns. It's a snowball effect, small at first, but powerful over decades. For example, invest £100 at 10%. Next year, you have £110. The year after, you earn 10% on £110, not just £100. Over 20, 30, or 40 years, this compounding can turn small sums into real wealth. The secret? Start early and be patient. Don't try to time the market. Just invest consistently and let time do the work. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Ignore the noise. Trust the process. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. It's simple, proven, and stress-free. You'll hear stories of people getting rich quick on hot stocks or crypto, but these are rare, risky, and more like gambling than investing. Most who try lose money and sleep. The real winners? The slow and steady investors. They buy broad index funds, ignore daily market swings, and focus on the long term. Over decades, markets recover from crashes and keep growing. Time in the market beats timing the market, every time. A disciplined, long-term approach protects you from emotional mistakes. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Automate your investing, stick to your plan, and stay patient. Boring? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. This is how you win the wealth game. Be the tortoise, not the hare. Here's your action plan. Open a stocks and shares ISA with a reputable, low-cost provider. Set up automatic monthly investments, whatever amount you can afford. Choose a single, globally diversified index fund or ETF. Don't overthink it. One fund is enough to start. Automate. Invest consistently, and ignore the headlines. Your job? Be patient and let your investments grow. Don't panic during downturns or get greedy in booms. Trust the process and think in decades, not days. Start today, your future self will thank you. Take that first step now.